Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok analytics on your videos so you understand what works and what doesn't. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then I want you to go on your profile and I want you to pick a video that is the most common content that you publish on your page, okay? Let's take this video for example over here. There are two options to access it. First of all, you can click over here on the lower right side where it says more insights, or you can click on the three dots over here and then click analytics on the third option over here. Let's click analytics and let's take a look what this video is telling us. First of all, you're going to look at the performance. The performance section simply shows you how many plays this video got, right? How many likes, how many comments, how many shares, how many saves. The total playtime, this is sum up of the whole 307 views that they have. The total playtime is over 1 hour. How much people on average watched the video when they actually click 15.8 seconds, right? Watched full video, only 20% of these 307 people actually watched this video, 20%. Not so bad if you're asking me. The next section will show you how many followers did you actually gain by posting this video. In our case, there is 0 followers. And this is comparable versus the last day to the very first day you published the video. Then you will see the chart or the graph how the videos were actually distributed since you published the video. As you can see over here, there isn't a gradual uptrend or downtrend. You simply had a major bump when the video was published, 300 views in a matter of 2 days, and that was it. But even though TikTok will always compare your most recent update to the video that you're currently analyzing. So if you can see over here, according to TikTok analytics, this video still gets 34 more views than usual. So this video still does a very good job. The next section over here is showing you the retention, where people are clicking off the video. When you actually analyze and pay very close attention, you could figure it out that people are probably expecting to see something, and when you look at the graph and see that very little people at the end, only 17% are still watching versus 85% at the opening, at the first second of the video. So the retention graph represents how people are happy or sad of what they actually find out, because everyone comes with particular expectations. The last option over here is again the traffic source, where are your viewers found the video, watched the video, and how the video actually was promoted or served or represented on the platform. As you can see, 97.7% comes from the For You page. This is the recommendations. This is what YouTube essentially recommends people to watch on their feed, people who are not following me. The second part over here of the analytics is actually more interesting. This is in-depth breakdown of the followers, the gender of the followers, the amount of followers that actually interact with. You will see the gender here, majority of which are male, only 8% female. As you can see, we have a full breakdown of the ages of the followers or the viewers of this particular video. We also have locations, top locations, and we also have a city breakdown, right? We have by cities, people, where they're watching and where they're interacting with. But essentially, guys, you want to make sure you analyze the data and you want to make sure that you're taking notes. I understand this is a lot of information, but if you take notes on a piece of paper on the side, you will be able to analyze, and we will be able to fix a lot of the issues, like we saw with the whole retention, with the amount of viewers that are watching to at least half of the video, if not to the end of the video. And you also want to make sure that people are really satisfied and engaged and have really fun time spending here on your page. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.